The flash flood watch continues for in California, the eastern Sierra south of Highway 50 including Alpine and Monroe counties. In Nevada, southern Washoe County including Reno Sparks, Story, Carson City, Douglas and western Lyon counties. Until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening, slow-moving thunderstorms with heavy rain will develop during the afternoon and evening hours. The areas at greatest risk for flash flooding are near small creeks and streams, urban areas and recent burn scars such as the Bison Fire. Heavy rain may lead to rock and mud slides near steep terrain, especially in areas that have received heavy rainfall since Tuesday. This may impact travel over the mountain passes along highways 4, 50, 88, 89, 108, 120, 341, 395, and 431. A flash flood watch means that flooding of small streams, creeks, and other drainage areas is possible within the wash area. People in the wash area should monitor weather.gov/Reno for updates and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. The following is a flash flood watch for the following county, Mineral and Southern Lyon counties in Nevada. The flash flood watch continues for Mineral and Southern Lyon counties until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening. Slow-moving thunderstorms with heavy rain will develop during the afternoon and evening hours. The areas at greatest risk for flash flooding are near small creeks and streams, urban areas, and the portion of the Smith Valley below the Bison Fire burnt scar. Heavy rain may lead to rock and mud slides near steep terrain, especially in areas that have received heavy rainfall since Tuesday. This may impact travel on highways 95, 208, 338, and 359. A flash flood watch means that flooding of small streams, creeks, and other drainage areas is possible within the wash area. People in the wash area should monitor weather.gov/Reno for updates and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Plumas County in Northern California. This includes the city of Beckworth, north central Sierra County in Northern California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:39 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles northeast of Calpine, or 6 miles south of Beckworth, and moving east at 10 miles per hour across the Sierra Valley. Locations affected include Beckworth, Vinton, and Calpine. Prepare now for high winds, hail, heavy rain, and deadly lightning. During a severe thunderstorm, seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Plumas County in Northern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lake Davis, or 11 miles north of Blairston. This storm was nearly stationary. Locations affected include Lake Davis and Grizzly Campground. Boaters and swimmers on or near Lake Davis should get out of the water and move indoors or inside of Philly. Don't be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. People in or on water are much more prone to being struck by deadly lightning. Strong and erratic winds can lead to boats capsizing. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Plumas County in Northern California. This includes the city of Beckworth, north central Sierra County in Northern California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:39 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles northeast of Calpine, or 6 miles south of Beckworth, and moving east at 10 miles per hour across the Sierra Valley. Locations affected include Beckworth, Vinton, and Calpine. Prepare now for high winds, hail, heavy rain, and deadly lightning. During a severe thunderstorm, at 3:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located located near Loyalton, or 8 miles south of Beckworth, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations affected include Beckworth, Portola, Vinton, Calpine, Loyalton, and Beckworth near Vino Airport. Travelers along Highway 49 near Loyalton will be impacted by this storm. Watch for hail, flooding along the roadway, and frequent lightning. Seek shelter in a sturdy building if possible. Do not drive into flooded roadways. There is no way to know if the road has been washed out. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Plumas County in Northern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lake Davis, or 11 miles north of Blairston. This storm was nearly stationary. Locations affected include Lake Davis and Grizzly Campground. Boaters and swimmers on or near Lake Davis should get out of the water and move indoors, or inside a vehicle immediately. Don't be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. People in or on water are much more prone to being struck by deadly lightning. Strong and erratic winds can lead to boats capsizing. At 3:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Loyalton, or 8 miles south of Beckworth, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations affected include Beckworth, Portola, Vinton, Calpine, Loyalton, and Beckworth near Vino Airport. Travelers along Highway 49 near Loyalton will be impacted by the storm. Watch for hail, flooding along the roadway, and frequent lightning. Seek shelter in a sturdy building if possible. Do not drive into flooded roadways. There is no way to know if the road has been washed out. The following is a special weather statement. At 2:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a strong thunderstorm near Lake Davis, or 11 miles north of Blairston, and moving north at 5 miles per hour. Frequent deadly lightning, moderate rain, P to penny-size hail, and gusty winds to 45 miles per hour will occur with this storm. Locations affected through 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time include Lake Davis, Grasshopper Flat Campground, Grizzly Campground, and Lightning Tree Campground. If on or near a lake, get out of the water and move indoors, or inside a vehicle now. Don't be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Strong wind gusts and lightning pose an immediate danger to boaters. Gusty winds will cause rapid increase in wave heights which may capsize small boats. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, WXK58 in Reno. Regular programming has been suspended to bring you the latest information on threatening weather conditions. The following is a flash flood watch for the following counties in California: Greater Lake Tahoe area and Mono County, and the following counties in Nevada: Greater Lake Tahoe area and Greater Reno, Carson City, Minden area. The flash flood watch continues for in California, the eastern Sierra south of Highway 50 including Alpine and Mono counties. In Nevada, southern Washoe County including Reno, Sparks,